Girl is back, and when I come here, it's about to be popping. I have my beautiful auntie here. She came to the studio to film her Facebook Live. You might notice her looking at the side like so. She's on Facebook Live, but I'm glamming her at the same time, okay? And she's gonna be talking to you all as well. Enjoy the video.
I am HAIRDRESSERS and a beautiful celeb Beauticianchic. She's going to turn me to a new bride. At the same time, we're going to be discussing about matchmaking.
Guys,
So if you've got somebody, if you're interested, or if you are interested, or you've got somebody who is interested, you know, you can contact me.
yeah, also, I think you have your Facebook going on.
Yeah, I have my Facebook going on. And you know, I keep saying to people, don't be shy. If you want something, talk about it. Get it. You can get it in any platform these days. Don't say, oh, I can't be matched with somebody. After all, you can meet somebody in a party, so it's the same thing. You don't know the person before. Don't tell me, oh, you can't be matched. After all, she's married, and she won't tell me her husband is her brother. Definitely, she must have met him somewhere. I met my husband in a party, and you know what? You can meet the right person anywhere. So if you're somebody that would love to get married, please, please, please don't be shy. Yes. Join us, you know? Let's talk about it, and let's see how we can get you that right one.
Wow, that channel is gonna be hot. Yeah, so guys, she's really popular on Facebook, but she's new on YouTube. So subscribe to her channel if you're interested. She's gonna put her channel link down below. If you are interested in matchmaking, you'll match you with the right person. Don't even know how it works. Do they have to apply?
You just have to contact me. Give me your profile, and I'll look at other profile that matches yours.
Is that how it works?
Yeah, and I'll be able to link you up. And for now, I've got a lady. She's in her early 40s. She's never been married. She wants, she's looking for the right match. So I only do straights. That's where my professionalism lies, you know. So I do only straight. So lady to man, man to woman. So, and I've got another guy too. He's in his late 40s. He's never been married, and he's looking for his right match.
Wow.
And they are both based in the UK.
Okay.
And they are both flexible. They can do anywhere. But
so can you matchmake people anywhere in the world?
yes,
Or
I can.
They just need to send their profile.
You just need to send your profile.
Oh.
Yeah. I can matchmake people because the lady actually, she's not fussy, but she just wants a genuine person, whether it's in Nigeria, the person is in Ghana, and she's got her age range between 40 to 46. That's what she's looking for. And being genuine also comes with the guy having a job, because she's got a good job here in the UK, and she wants the same. Yeah. So guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Beauticianchic have started.
Is getting on flake.
Wow. But if you feel no marriage for me, I don't like it, then this platform is not for you. So you can even learn some other stuff like cooking, like sewing, all this I'm doing. And you can even meet some special guests. So just keep up. It's where you can learn. It's not just a page, just like, you know, coming to Beauticianchic looking, you're learning. You know, a lot of people, I learned how to make up through her. You know, so it's something, going to our page. So that is what my page is for. It encourages you to do something, to learn something, not just watching and going. A lot of people that said to me, they are not even in the UK, they are in Nigeria, that her work has taught them how to, now they are free, they are financially free, they are making their own money because they've been following her. That's why she has changed their life. Whether you like it or not, one way or the other, she has, you know, contributed to their life positively. You know, so that's what my page too wants. I want my page to be like that. Somewhere people come to and get something out of it. Not somewhere you just come to and watch and waste your time. So my page is for serious people. But it is just safe, just perfect. Right.
Yeah.
Wow. See?
Yeah.
Shows the same.
Popping.
The face is popping. The face is popping. It's not so hard. This is very straightforward.
Yeah, I do. My steps are really easy to follow.
Yeah, it's easy to follow. So you want to follow those steps. So let's go.
Yeah, so that's the face contoured. We're gonna set. Set everything.
Even me, I'm watching her. This is a very good way for me to learn, because the first time she did my makeup, I learned a lot. That's why, even though my brow is not perfect now, but I think I'm proud of it. Yeah, it's popping because I learned that from her. You're single, if you would like to be mingled, or you want a date, not a date, you want a life partner, please send me an inbox message. Strictly for serious people. Buy 2 colors. Yeah. So this one you buy 2 colors. Of course. Wow.
Because you need a darker one, slightly darker one.
I didn't see Beauticianchic on Instagram. I said no, and I went to look at your page, and I said, okay, no, it's the Beauticianchic.
Because brow time, you don't have to move. Because when you move, the brow will go left. Yeah, so don't squeeze your face. You relax your face when doing your brows. Sometimes when you finish one and you want the other one, it might not match. Yeah. So now I'm going to do the top. Thick one fits on faces, but not every face. But to be on the safe side, just do medium. I'm using Rimmel brow pencil, super drug as well. Rimmel. Okay. So I use 2 colors, black and dark brown.
Okay. And first, yeah,
then you draw the up one.
Get it from the up. Wow, see this, look at this bra. I'm going to stick to this bra.
So if you want to book a mobile hairdresser, you can book us as well. So we offer mobile services for hair and makeup all over UK. So anywhere in the UK, we can come to you. So it's called Mobile Afro Hairdresser at beauty.com for your home service beauty treatments anywhere in UK. Very affordable and professional. So I use 2 shades, because when you use a lighter one throughout, it's going to look too highlighted. So it kind of mix the colors together and blend it in. So that's what I'm doing. If you notice, one is very light and one is darker.
On is going. I'm with a popping queen. I'm getting myself ready for my YouTube channel. If you want to do business, send me an inbox message and I will show you how to. I'm all weather, you know. Make money from different sources.
Every 30 seconds goes on.
Okay.
It's true.
And you'll be praising me.
No, don't get me wrong. They are nice, but obviously, there's quick makeup. No, they are nice.
I know, you're just making me feel good.
No, it's nice, but there's quick makeup, like quick glam. And there's makeup like, they spend time on this one. If I see you with this kind of makeup, I'm like, what? Did you spend 100 hours at home doing this?
No, I know. Oh my God, that color.
It's true. It's true. It's true. Eyelashes is popping.
I've started popping. No.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, I'm popping.
Yeah, so now we're going to clean all the setting powder. So now I'm going to clean the under eye as well. So we're going to go back to contour. You know, I've done highlighting, blend everything out. So now we're going to do contouring. Yeah.
You see, they meet in school. Some people, they meet in different places online. Everything is going online. Look at me, I don't need to go out to work anymore. I work online. Do my business, make money online. That's why I'm here today, because I make money online.
Yes, so now just line.
Ah, no, it's fine like this. Oh, this is African beauty, which is not a learner.
It doesn't take me time.
Popping.
Let everything shine.
It as well. That's what you are doing. Me, I never get it like this.
Use a very small
you
brush.
learn.
A very tiny brush.
Beautiful. Chichi came out with this combination. I think it goes very well. Orange and green.
Yeah, not every time you have to do matchy.
Yeah, it goes very
Sharon is
well.
a shabby, knowing that most people that will come there will wearing the same color as you. Is here because they look like old mama. When you do leave that, you have to push it. Then you use powder after you push it to adjust that front. Yeah, make sure their hairline is showing. Do you see how the difference in her face and when her hairline is not showing? Hairline had to show. Then after that, use your brush again on there to blend it. Yeah. You see again? Ooh. Hey. Oh, wow. Even new brides have.
They're not vicious.
You know. These are our fake brides.
This is a fine color.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look, African. We have.
Isn't it? It's not like lace wig, isn't it? Look at this.
Look at African. Look.
Look at our beginning. If you want to be extra, you can do this. Not just make that place empty. That place is full.
God has created me.
So let me do.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for staying. Thanks for watching the Beauticianchic make me up. I'm just loving myself, you know. I just feel like going to the altar all over again, but you know what, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it for you that have not been there. You want to do your makeup? Look at it. This is beautiful for brides. You can even do it if you're not a bride, just to feel cool about yourself. You want to go out for a wedding or you want to go for a birthday party. And don't forget your gele. You have to wear gele. Look at it. And also, If you want to watch me more, you want to see me what I do, follow me on Lifestyle with Irene Babs. The Babs is B-A-B-S, Irene is I-R-E-N-E. Lifestyle with Irene Babs. I'm going to be doing more of this and even bringing the Beauticianchic herself to my channel to do her makeup. But you see, I'm just loving myself. When I sleep tonight, I'm going to go like this. And don't forget, do your Gele. Let's see how you look with Gele. Show me your Gele. Show me what Beauticianchic has done for you. This is what she has done for me. You know, not so much makeup, but you see, all the features, it's hard. Do you want to do this? Thank you, everyone. Love to Beauticianchic. Love you, darling.